So Indonesia appeal to the US to do more to stop the atrocities in Gaza. Ceasefire is a must for the sake of humanity. Once again, thank you for your invitation, President Biden. Thank you.
Thank you. And as we met outside, as you got out of the automobile, we had a very important discussion on climate. The
Dan
President said, I'm cold.
ketika Bapak baru datang dan menyambut Bapak di mobil, ketika Bapak keluar kita sudah ada berbicara mengenai topik penting sekali dalam iklim, di mana Bapak mengatakan saya ini merasa dingin.
I told him I could take care of that immediately.
Dan saya mau cepat selesaikan hal itu.
Well,